Hi, in this hsbDesign for Revit training session, we're going to take a look at the point load tool in the hsb stick frame ribbon. So, in our model here, if we move this section box in a little bit, we can see that we have these floor joists and we want to create a point load underneath them. To do so, we can switch into the floor plan of the first floor, and in here, we also have the joists of the floors visible. So, we want to insert the point load here at this intersection point. At first, we open up the point load tool, and this will lead us to the Setup tab for it. In here, we have the option to run the Update tool, and by that, insert the construction straight away. But we won't do this. I will show you later what it will do. So we can do this manually as well. Furthermore, you can add an offset from the alignment. You can set up the inventory supporting beams. We're using the studs for this. And we can set up the point load alignment. This can either be left, centre or right. We're using left. And we can set up the number of supporting beams. At first, we're using 4. After clicking OK, you're asked to select the item container. And next up, you have to select the insertion point. So we're using this intersection right here. If we switch back to the 3D view, we can now see that the handler has been inserted. And if we would have checked the first box, the construction would also have been generated. But for now, we'll generate the construction by selecting the handler, and afterwards we can either generate the whole wall or we just use the Update tool, which will only add the construction of the handler. We're using the Update tool for now. And if we switch into this view, we can see that right now we're having 4 beams in here. By selecting the handler again and clicking on Edit Properties, we can edit the properties of the point load. So for example, we could switch this to maybe 6 supporting beams. After editing the properties, we either need to generate the whole wall again or use the Update tool again. By quickly isolating the wall in the hsb console, which we'll explore more in depth later, we can see that we now have more beams added. I hope this video helped you to get an understanding of the point load tool and how to use it in your design process. See you for the next video.